I'm Markov Yuri, the wife of a darker lord. Today, I will talk about the peeing in grass sound effect from Noah_Morishi. It's from a video called Gacha Pee, first vid, Noah pees on the streets and bed. It was uploaded on September 18, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The sound length from this video is 0:45 to 1:01. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I pee outside or behind the bushes. I'm gonna test Noah_Morishi's peeing on grass sound effect in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that feels good. Remember kids, make sure you use that sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay?